How to upload short video on YouTube. New update. With the new update, YouTube has introduced some novelties. The process of uploading short videos has changed, and in this video, I will show you how to do it. First, check if you have the latest version of the app, as my app is updated to the latest version. Now, open the YouTube app on your phone. Then click the plus button in the bottom bar of the screen. You can record your short video by long pressing the red button while filming. There are two available lengths for short videos. You can select 15 seconds or 60 seconds by clicking here. Of course, if you want a longer video, you can record an additional segment. Finally, click the check mark button. However, I will click the back arrow because I want to upload a video from my phone gallery. Click this icon. Select the video you want to upload. Of course, you can also adjust the length of the video here. I will leave it at 15 seconds. You can trim the video by long pressing to the left here. When you're done, click the Done button. Then press the check mark. If you wish, you can add a caption. The last step is to upload the video by clicking the Upload Short button. Uploading may take some time depending on your internet connection and the length of the video. Here is where your short video is located. Click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then open the Your Videos section. The video is uploading, as you can see. When the upload is finished, click See Video. Then click on the video icon. And your short video is there. I hope you found this tutorial interesting and useful. See you in the next video. Follow our channel for more interesting tips and tricks.